Now that you know how to create an Instagram account, how to make a creator account, how to warm it up really well and start posting, interacting, and growing your account, you can transition into opening your Threads account, opening your Twitter X account, or a Reddit one. I mean, open the social account that you want to complement your Instagram account. Of course, if you want the full Instagram course, you will find it inside my community. I leave the link in the description and in the bio of the channel. And there we will talk about all the things you have to do with Instagram to grow your AI influencer and to make money. Now, the next step is, of course, to monetize the followers that you generate with your social media. So to open up your Fanvue page, your Patreon page, and to bring audience inside those pages as well and transform your audience into your clients. But why Fanvue and Patreon and not OnlyFans, for example? Because of course, in the world we live today, OnlyFans is the #1 platform to monetize not safe for work content. But OnlyFans have one big, massive limitation. OnlyFans doesn't allow yet AI influencer as they are. OnlyFans allows AI, of course, but if you are a real creator and you want to use AI feature for your content, so you are already a creator, you have your content and you use AI to make content quicker, for example. So you clone yourself into a video and make, or a picture, and make picture with AI. That's what OnlyFans allow. It doesn't allow you to create from scratch an AI model and start selling content with your 100% AI model. And that's where Fanvue comes in. So, of course, maybe in the future, OnlyFans will change their mind and they will allow full 100% AI content. But as of now, you have to use other platforms like, for example, Fanvue or Patreon. Fanvue is exactly like OnlyFans, but they allow AI influencers. The UI of Fanvue is fantastic and a lot of people, me included, thinks that Fanvue have a better UI than OnlyFans as well. And also with Fanvue, you can customize really a lot of different things. So think about Fanvue as your OnlyFans for your AI influencer. So on Fanvue, you will sell your not safe for work content, so your not safe for work pictures, videos and audios. You create your fandom and followers, your subscribers, and via DMs, subscription, and custom content, you will sell your not safe for work content. With Patreon is a little bit different, but you can use it to make money with not safe for work content. Usually Patreon is used by the fantasy kind of influencer, so the fantasy kind of model. On Patreon there are a lot of anime style models, cartoon style images, and so on. Of course, you have to tell the platform right from the get-go that you are selling not safe for work content, otherwise they'll ban you. So your page will be flagged as not safe for work page, and you use social media, of course, so Instagram, Threads, Twitter, and so on, to funnel your audience inside your Patreon page. And with Patreon, they will subscribe to your page and so pay money to see your not safe for work content. It is a little bit different from Fanvue, for example, because on Patreon is like having a store where you put your not safe for work content. You will have different tiers, so maybe a $5, $10 tier, a $20, a $50, a $100 tier, with of course different perks for each tier, and you will sell your not safe for work content that way. On Fanvue, it is more like OnlyFans. As I told you, you can chat with your clients, you build a relation, and you sell your content that way, you create custom content, and all the good stuff that you can do with a platform like that. So now you know how to monetize your not safe for work content. And of course, since we are talking about not safe for work, especially in Fanvue and in Patreon, I can't show you everything that you can do with a platform like this. So if you want the full Fanvue course where I'll show you everything that you can do with this platform that you have to do to generate attention, customers, and money, you need to join my community. So I leave you the link in the description and in bio. So if you want the full package for Fanvue, how to grow it, how to monetize it, and how to sell your not safe for work content, check out the classroom inside the community. So I leave you the link and I'll see you there.